To clean white Converse, first untie the shoes and remove the laces. Then use a toothbrush or washcloth to wipe off any caked-on dirt or grime on the shoes. Add 2 teaspoons, 10 milliliters, of dish soap and 1 cup, 235 milliliters, of warm water to a bowl and mix together. Dip the brush or cloth in the mixture and scrub each side of your shoes using back and forth strokes. Brush dirty areas until the stains are completely removed. Next, wipe down your shoes with a damp cloth to remove any leftover suds. To dry your shoes, crumple newspaper and place it inside your shoes. The newspaper will help your shoes maintain their shape while they air dry. For stubborn stains, you can use baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. First add 1 tablespoon, 14 grams, of baking soda, 1/2 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of water, and 1/2 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, of hydrogen peroxide to a bowl and mix together. Then spread the paste onto your shoes using a toothbrush or washcloth. Leave your shoes out in the sun for 4 to 5 hours, then use a clean brush or cloth to remove the dried paste. To clean your white shoelaces, just soak them in a bowl of soapy water for 10 minutes. Then lay them out to air dry.